So in this problem, we need to obtain the sum of the given series. So let's begin. We'll first represent our series as Sn. So we have Sn given by 0.5. This is the first term added to 0.55, which is followed by 0.555. And this goes all the way up to n number of terms. Now what we'll do, we will take 5 as the common factor. So that means we're going to divide each terms by 5. So we have 5 multiplied to 0.1. So 0.55 divided by 5 will be 0.11. Plus 0.555 divided by 5 will be 0.111. Plus all the way up to n number of terms. Next step, what we'll do, we will multiply each of the terms by 9. But since we're multiplying each terms by 9, we'll have to divide the entire series by 9. So we have 5 divided by 9. This will get multiplied to 9 times 0.1 will be 0.9. Plus 9 multiplied to 0.11, that will be 0.99. Plus 0.111 multiplied to 9, that's 0.999. Plus all the way up to n terms. Next, what we'll do, we can rewrite each of the terms. So we will convert them to a fraction. So 0.9, the decimal to fraction, will become 9 over 10. Plus 0.99 divided by 0.99 will be 99 divided by 100. Plus 0.999 will become 999 divided by 1000. Plus all the way up to n number of terms. Fine. Next, again we can further simplify each of the terms. So here 9 divided by 99. So that can be also expressed as, if we have 1 minus 1 over 10. Then our second term, which is 99 over 100, this can be expressed as 1 minus 1 over 100. Or 100 can be expressed as 10 squared. Plus 999 divided by 1000 can be expressed as 1 minus 1 over 10 cubed. So this goes all the way up to n number of terms. Fine. Now what we'll do, we'll combine the first term of each of the series. So we have 5 over 9 whole multiplied to. So we have 1 added to 1 plus 1. This goes all the way up to n terms. So that means 1 is added to itself n number of terms. So you will keep it aside. Then we will combine the second term of each of the terms. So we'll take negative as the common factor. So we'll have 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10 squared plus 1 over 10 cubed. This goes all the way up to n number of terms. Right. Now, in the next step, what we'll do, we'll find out the sum. So our first series, so this is 1 added to itself n number of times. So this is simply 1 multiplied to n. And for the second series, this is going to be a geometric series. Here, our first term, this is our first term, 1 over 10. And the common ratio r is going to be 1 over 10 squared divided by 1 over 10. So that means we'll get 1 over 10. We can use the formula. The sum up to n terms of a geometric progression is given by first term a multiplied to 1 minus r raised to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. Here r value is less than 1. So in the case we have r equals to 1 over 10, this is definitely less than 1. So we can use this formula to obtain a sum. So let's begin. So our first case, this sum is simply going to be n minus. So here our first term is 1 over 10. So multiply to 1 minus 1 over 10 raised to the power of n whole divided by 1 minus 1 over 10. So let's simplify this. So this is our sum. Further simplification is then going to give us 5 over 9 multiplied to n minus. So the denominator is 9 over 10. So 1 over 10 divided by 9 over 10. So that's simply 1 over 9. Whole multiplied to 1 minus 1 over 10 raised to the power of n. And this is going to be the sum up to n terms of the given series.